I'm Kaylin Wagner-Marsh, and I am so excited to show you this incredible 3-bedroom, 1.5-bath home here in beautiful Boulder Creek, situated on this incredibly quiet cul-de-sac. Come, let's check it out and go inside. Inside, you will love the open concept floor plan, as well as the beautiful granite kitchen countertops, spacious island, and perfect breakfast bar. You'll enjoy these incredible Brazilian cherry hardwood floors, the vaulted ceilings, and this amazing floor plan which flows beautifully into the yard space. This home features a parcel that is over 1/4 acre, which is fully gated and fenced and just perfect for entertaining. This floor plan is so versatile. You'll enjoy both your sitting area and your dining space. While this home features 3 bedrooms, it also has this versatile loft. This is a spacious primary bedroom with access to your tranquil deck in the backyard space. This is an incredible location. You can feel at ease underneath your beautiful redwood trees while still being only 5 minutes from downtown Boulder Creek. You'll enjoy the ease of going less than a block to the Bear Creek Community Center, where you can enjoy the pool, fitness center, and they also hold amazing community events. If you like the outdoors, there is the Redwood Bear Creek Trails as well, a short distance away. In addition, it's an excellent commute location. You're close to Highway 17 and less than a half an hour from downtown Los Gatos. This is unbeatable. Situated on over 1/4 acre, this amazing space will just blow you away. You must see this oversized 3-car garage with workshop area and loft, perfect for additional storage. I'm so happy I got to show you this incredible home today. If you'd like to set up a private showing, give us a call. My telephone number is 831-419-6538, or visit our website at kaylinrealestate.com. I look forward to showing you this home soon.